Hey guys, it's Brandon. For this week's vlog, I wanted to do a room tour that consists of every residence hall at CNU. These are gonna be fast, right? So I'm gonna give a minute for each residence hall, okay? So let's put the time on the clock. And let's start with the Freshman Residence Hall, York River. I don't know if it's east or west.
Hey, welcome to York.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I'm Marina Organt. I'm a freshman at CNU, and I'm in the President's Leadership Program. I'm also a Bonner Service Scholar.
So when we decided to move our furniture around, we put our desks specifically in that corner of our room so that that would be our study work area and our beds would be where we hang out and relax. So when I came to school, I brought some decorations from my old room and I kind of changed up my color scheme to gray, and I kind of wanted everything to be a calm color. I brought a bunch of pictures of my family and my friends kind of far away from home. I kind of wanted everything to look very rustic and happy. So I brought lights and I put up flowers and I brought all the flowers I've ever been given in a shadow box. So the first day that I moved in, me and my parents went to Walmart and we bought this center console thing for between the beds in our room. It comes with like pull-out storage bins, and that's where we keep snacks and just the stuff that we don't want laying around. So I also brought 2 rugs from home. The white one is kind of just to make the room look bigger.
Welcome to Santoro Hall.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm a freshman. I'm a neuroscience major. There are many different ways to set up your rooms. We chose to set up ours with a yellow and gray. It's kind of a happy scene. We also have a very spacious room. We filled the walls with wall decor that will bring brightness into the room and just a more homey feeling, along with the lights, so we don't have to have the main lights on. We have space underneath of our beds, which makes it a lot easier to keep our dressers under.
Hey, welcome to Potomac North.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Well, we decided to put fairy lights in our common room to just brighten it up a little bit, make it seem a little more homey. And
it gives us different modes. Strobe light flash down from Amazon for a good price.
There's also a pet fish that they got from PetSmart.
Two
fish, yeah. Just so we can have company when nobody else was in the room.
Mm-hmm. Dorian and Katrina.
In our common room, we also have a Keurig that we got from Target. We love using our Keurig because it saves us time and money.
Both of us have fans in here. We like it Antarctica cold.
Every dorm building at CNU is air conditioned, but sometimes it can still be a little hot. So we bring mini fans with us to school just so we can have the extra reimbursement of cool, fresh air when we sleep at night.
Mm-hmm.
What's up, man? Welcome to Warwick.
Hey, thanks for having me.
What's up, guys? My name is Amir Siders. I'm a sophomore here at CNU on the track and field team, and I live in Warwick River Hall. So living in Warwick is definitely nice because we have kitchens on every hall. So definitely recommend we bring like some pots and pans or some spoons or stuff like that. But definitely bring bed raisers because it's good to have extra storage space to store like extra clothes or shoes under the bottom. Like my roommate has a shoe rack that we keep under. I keep my shoes on top of my dresser. Definitely bring speakers. You gotta have music in your room at 24/7. LED lights is another cool thing that we can add to the room. They add like a cool vibe and you can just change the colors to whatever like mood you're feeling in that day. And definitely a TV and a console.
Hi, welcome to Rappahannock.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Hi, I'm Maggie. I am a senior. I'm originally from Christiansburg, Virginia, but I'm studying communication and also have minors in dance, digital humanities, and leadership as part of the President's Leadership Program. All right, so my roommates and I live together our sophomore year 2 in Warwick.
So we ended up taking a lot of our decorations from that common room and bringing them into our new space in this apartment. So mostly what we had to bring extra was kitchenware, so lots of those like pots and pans and all of that. Our common room we've been adding on to since we've been living in here too. So we got a new plant, we named her Beatrice, and so that's a really nice touch to it. Our curtains are new this year, we're really excited about our curtains. This rug that we kept from sophomore year too, we have one in the kitchen now too. The first day we got it, I spilled coffee all over it, but it's an indoor-outdoor rug, so it was all good. It still looks very pristine. We brought our own string lights, so we do decorate differently for each season. So especially when it gets to be like winter, it gets like more moody in here. We usually just plug in the string lights, put more blankets out.
Hey, welcome to JR. Hey, thanks for having me. So some things that are unique about our room are we have these couch covers for all the couches and chairs, and it makes it just more comfortable and like a nicer vibe. And we also have these LED lights that run around the entire room. It adds like a really nice mood compared to the overhead light. I don't think I've turned on the overhead light since moving in, and so I love them. You can change the colors. I definitely recommend them. I had them in my other room too, and I also have some underneath my bed, and that adds a nice little footing for when you're coming in late at night, or like I'll sometimes leave them on so that my roommate can see when he comes in or whatever. I also have a couple whiteboards in the room just so that I can literally write down anything that I need to see and like think through. I can write it out. And I also have a big lamp in my room that I use literally all the time. Again, I haven't used the overhead light since moving. I also have this metal organizer on my desk that helps me keep track of all of my school stuff. Also, if you have like a desktop or a monitor that you use maybe for video games or whatever, what you can do is I put 2 command hooks on the side of my desk that face my bed, and then I rest the monitor on top of those command hooks. It really helps me keep everything clean and like out of the way for when I'm not using the monitor. As well as there's a ton of space underneath your beds. Lastly, I brought a rug from home, and when you need to vacuum it, I recommend just checking one out at the front desk. It's free and it's actually a really powerful vacuum. Thanks for tuning in. I know it was a long one, but I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And I will see you next week. Hey guys, what's up? It's Brandon. So for today's vlog, I wanted to do it. Today's vlog. Hey guys, it's Brandon. For today's vlog, today. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey guys, it's Brandon. It's not. I said so like 8 times. Oh my god. Alright. Is that good? Let's get going. Let's get going with York River East, and we got the timer on. Okay, cool. Yeah, go ahead and stop it. Okay, go ahead and stop it. Cool, yeah, the reflection, solid. The hard thing is not getting myself in the mirror. Oh, that's a mirror. That's a mirror.
That is a mirror.
That is a mirror. So something that's unique about our dorm, other than our big lion tapestry. So something that's unique about our dorm, other than our big lion blanket, we have these couch covers that are we have these couch covers for the. We also have pillows that fit. Also, we have these string lights, not string lights. They're like $50 for like 17 feet, which is awesome. So 17, that's such a weird number. They were like $50 for like 16 feet. That's better. Again, I don't, and it also helps reduce your waste when you can fill up a reusable bottle. What? But you can rent them at the front desk, and those things are powerful. Like they'll be pulling me, like dragging me like a dog, you know? So like it really changes the vibe of the room, and it's really comfortable. I think that's everything I have to say.